So hi everyone, this is Tushar, and in this video we will see that how we can obtain the maximum salary from according to our employee post in our database. So let's get started. So this is the example which I have here. Let's understand first the subquery. So here the maximum of salary is coming from employees 2024, which I have tables in my database. So what this query does, so this will bring the maximum salary, which is bring the maximum salary based on title. So why I'm using this where S2 title equal to E dot title. So this is nothing but uh, dynamic join which I have applied this. This is not directly a join which I'm using. This is indirectly a join. This work as join. So in this query, I have prepared, like first I have choose employee ID, then I have used a conjugate function. Instead of this, we can also use first name, then plus, then our single spacing, single quotes, and then plus or last name. So it will be as a full name as a column, and then I choose title and then set. So this is the table and which I am using a join on the same table which work as this. So here I have used alias. First one I have used alias with E, and then the second one is S. So I just use E dot employee ID then equal to EMP ID, and then where I have used salary, and in the salary in where condition I apply. So instead of this, we can also apply multiple, like we can also use the single values by applying like EMP IDs and all. So the result set will not come as we want. So for that, I have write this query. So let me just execute this, right? So this is the example set, right? So this will bring the maximum salaries from based on their title from our employee table. So as you observe that in the, let me just, so you see there are entries as having same values, which is 75, 75K. And why these values come? Because these values are the maximum in our table. So that's why it shows the both of the entries, right? So this is how it's work. And I have also prepared examples that shows single value from one of them, right? So with the help of that, in the next video, we will see using a CTE example. Yeah, so I hope this is clear for you. So meanwhile, what I have discussed in this example is, so first we have this code selects employee ID, full name, title, and salary from a table. It's retrieves employee whole salary, matches the highest salary from their respective job titles, which having CEO, sales representative, etc. This SQL query retrieves its employee ID, full name, title, and salary from a table. It's a filter. Employees whose salary matches the highest salary from their respective job titles, and utilizing a subquery to find out the maximum salary per title. So this SQL query retrieves its employee details, ID, full name, title, salary from our table. It filters employees whose salary matches the highest salary from their respective job titles. It uses a subquery to find the maximum salary per title and joins two instances of the same table based on the employee ID. So this is the whole description for this query. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and I will meet you in the second part of this series with the help of CET. So I hope this video will help you, and I will see you in next video with CTE exam, the same department.